Scots Wha Hae, where Wallace bled, Scots Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Now's the day, and now's the hour. See the front, a battle hour. See approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Wha will be a traitor knave? Wha can fill a coward's grave? Wha sae base as be a slave? Let him turn and flee. Way for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Freemen stand or freemen fall, let him follow me. By oppressions, woes and pains, by your sons in servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall in every foe, liberties in every blow, let us do or die. Scots Wha Hae, where Wallace bled, Scots Bruce has often led. Welcome to your gory bed, or to victory. Alba Gubra!